Hey everyone, Colorado Avalanche Collector 19 back with another video. Today we have 6 packs of the Dollarama 15 random cards. So 6 packs total. As you will notice, I have some new cards in the background. There's the Colorado President's Trophy patch from 1819 Peachy. There's a Gabriel Landeskog autograph. That's pretty nice, hard signed, from SPX. He made his return last night, and Colorado is still in a playoff wildcard position. 3 points up on the Arizona Coyotes, who they beat last night. So it's going to get exciting, and I can't wait to see some exciting hockey coming up. So anyway, let's get to the reason for this video. 6 packs of pristine hockey cards, 15 cards per pack. So I noticed this one. Sorry for the shine. We have a Semyon Varlamov, Christian Rutu, Kirk Muller, Bernie Nichols. This is a really cool one. Terry Salchuk. We have Rod Brindamore, Donald Dufresne, a Matthias Nordstrom Gold. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Matthias Nordstrom Gold parallel. Not numbered, but a pretty sweet find in a Dollarama pack. We have Vladimir Malikov, Bill Ranford, Tim Chevelday, Vitaly Karamnov, Ziggy Palffy, Tony Granato, and Antero Niemaki. So I'm still working on the introduction video. In the next video or two, we will have a new one. For some reason, the audio was not the greatest. Maybe it was just the software or the upload process, but we will improve on that. Trevor Van Riemsdyk, Trevor Linden. I'm going to flip this. Jerome Iginla from UD Portraits. Jeff Hackett, Igor Larionov. There's a nice one. Oleg Petrov. Patrick Lalime, Signature Series. Patrick Lalime. Here's a Mike Fedligno, Ron Tugnut, Ilka Sinisalo, Dan Hamhuis, Joseph Vasicek, Mike Lute, Troy Gamble, and Dana Murzin. Pack number 3. Let's see. Nathan McKinnon. Not the reason I picked this pack up. This was the reason I picked it up right here. Thomas Chabot, Team Canada. Pretty nice. Thomas Chabot. Valerie Kamensky. Here they go, either which way. Mark Tenorti, going for gold, and that's the checklist. Alexander Karitanov. We have Mark Tenorti, Craig Simpson, Jimmy Carson. Here's a Bud Holloway, Heroes and Prospects. Pierre-Marc Bouchard. Paul Broughton. That's my girlfriend throws stuff at me. Joey Kolser. Martin Jelna. She threw a bit of a chip at me, so no, she didn't throw anything of major substance at me.
Why?
Jim Hervet, yeah. She threw the night table or whatever at me. No. It's all good. It's all good, huh? Nobody watches these videos anyway. Some do, but... yeah. Okay. Milan Hajduk. We have a Brian Skrudland. Look at that face. And that's a Parky Gold. We have Alan Kerr, another Parky Gold. Todd Marchant. Mario Moros, another Terry Salchuk. So it's a double. Jan Herdina. Tyson Nash. Here's a cool one. Mud Brunetto. James Patrick. Here's the Philadelphia Flyers. Wendell Clark, and I have this autographed in person. I interviewed him back in college, back in 2006. That's a Wendell Clark. Ilf Samuelson. I'm not a fan of this set right here. Like this makes it really hard to read. I think that's a Brent Suter, maybe? I can't stand that set. Ben Scribbins. Okay, 2 packs remaining. This is a cool card coming up here. A Canada Greats Scott Niedermayer. I've never seen this set. I thought it was a custom-made card that got thrown in, but there's the score logo. Canada Greats Scott Niedermayer. Pretty nice. Here's a different card. Kirk Muller. Danton Cole. Ooh, that's a nice card coming up. That's a beauty. Mike Camilleri. Okay, let's just flip these. We have Scott Thomas, Sergei Makarov, John Kordick, Doug Smale. I thought that was Pat Ilnick. We have Doug Waite and Mark Bell. Steve Thomas, Joe Mullen, Mike Pekka, and the Dyke House, and this beauty right here. That's a really nice one. Jonathan Toews, going for gold. Nice. Jonathan Toews. Toews. Yeah. Beautiful. Really nice. Okay, and the final pack. Let's see what this brings. Jonathan Huberdeau. We have some cards flipped. Greg Adams, Jamie McCown, Brian Bradley. There's a Sylvain Lefebvre, a Vesa Toskla ice card. Bradshaw. Here is a Tommy Kallio. Yeah, Tommy Kallio. David Volek. Martin Erat, a Marion Gaborik from 02-03, so that's the second year card. Marion Gaborik. Pulled the rookie card in the last Dollarama pack opening. Jeff Norton, Rick Zombo, Sean Anderson, and we finished off the card for the PC, Eric Johnson from Portfolio. So yeah, that's it, everyone. I'm gonna just show some random cards from the PC here, just to show you some random cards, because this is my box behind here. So we have a Vladislav Kamenev Young Gun, Alex Kerfoot UD Portraits, Rookie Portraits, a Ben Smith Young Gun. He used to be on Colorado for a bit. Jocelyn Thibault, Acetate from Classic. We have JT Comfer, Young Gun Canvas. Marek Svatos Young Gun from 03-04, RIP. Here's Here's a Centennial Standouts of Peter Forsberg. Here's a really nice one. A Nathan McKinnon. Heroes and Prospects. Class of 2013. Nathan McKinnon. Ryan Wilson. Philip Dupuis. Colin Wilson. There's a Zach Redman. And out of 25, it's one of the buybacks. It's a Sylvain Lefebvre. He used to be on Colorado in 1996 when won the Stanley Cup with them. This is his rookie, but it's stamped and out of 25. So okay, everyone. Thanks for watching that video. I think I'll do that at the end of each video, just show some random cards from the collection. Okay, stay tuned for further videos, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and enjoy the hockey. Bye.